Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Weebly is a website building platform that empowers users to create their own online presence. It's particularly user-friendly, making it a great choice for beginners or anyone who wants a straightforward website creation experience. Weebly offers a drag-and-drop interface, which simplifies the design process considerably. You can select elements like text boxes, images, and videos, and then simply drag them to the desired location on your web page. This intuitive system eliminates the need for coding knowledge, allowing you to focus on the content and visual aspects of your site. Weebly provides a variety of customizable templates to get you started. These pre-designed layouts offer a solid foundation, saving you time and effort. You can then tailor these templates to match your brand and aesthetic preferences. Weebly also includes features like blogging capabilities, e-commerce integration, and SEO tools, providing a comprehensive solution for building a functional and effective website. The platform also offers different pricing tiers, including a free option, allowing you to choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. Beyond its ease of use and customization options, Weebly also offers built-in hosting and security features. This means you don't have to worry about the technical aspects of running a website, such as server maintenance or security updates. Weebly handles these tasks behind the scenes, allowing you to focus on creating and managing your content. While Weebly may not offer the same level of flexibility as some more advanced website builders, its simplicity and comprehensive features make it an attractive option for individuals and small businesses looking to establish a solid online presence. With its intuitive interface, diverse templates, and integrated tools, Weebly empowers users to build professional-looking websites without requiring extensive technical expertise. So, if you're looking for a hassle-free way to create your own website, Weebly is definitely worth considering. Check it out using the link below.